keep our gut in top shape. Digestive supplements support gut health. They come in many forms. These include capsules, tablets, and powders. They contain helpful ingredients. These help our bodies digest food better. Some supplements increase digestive juices. Others reduce inflammation. Some introduce good bacteria into our gut. Digestive supplements are not a magic cure. They work best alongside a healthy lifestyle. Section 5. Choosing and using digestive supplements wisely. Digestive supplements can be helpful in supporting your digestive health and overall well-being. But it's important to use them safely and responsibly to avoid any potential risks. Always talk to your doctor first before starting any new supplement. They can advise you on the best options tailored to your specific health needs and conditions. Start with a low dose to see how your body reacts. This gradual approach helps you monitor any changes or side effects. Always follow the instructions on the label carefully to ensure proper usage. Be aware of potential side effects and interactions with other medications you may be taking. Some people experience bloating, gas, or other digestive discomforts. Choose supplements from reputable brands that you trust. Look for products with high-quality ingredients and clear labeling. Remember, supplements are not a substitute for a healthy lifestyle. Eat a balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Drink plenty of water, and manage your stress levels through activities like yoga, meditation, or simply taking a walk in nature.